Hey, it's me, Cece, and how are you doing today? You guys, I know I always start that way. You guys. Anyway, so I want to give a shout out to Lissa, Lissa, or Lissa. She wanted me to do a video with the Korean spicy noodles, and she told me to go to H Mart. So I went to H Mart, and not only did I get this, but I also got some seaweed wraps and some kimchi. So I will be doing a kimchi and rice ASMR video this week. You guys, I could not find either set to either chopstick. Now, one of these is a little bit longer than the other, so I will see how this works. Shayna, can you pass me this noodle pack here? And for anyone that's going to want to know, these are the noodles that we have today. And we got some cucumber over here as well. So we will see how this works out. Y'all, I'm thinking about changing my YouTube name. Like, it'll still be food, but I've had a couple people like, oh, well, you know, since you do more than just ASMR and you do mukbangs as well, we want to see, basically, like, I guess my name is misleading. These are pretty spicy. Ooh. Yeah, I like these. But I'm thinking of changing it. Like, I'm gonna keep the celestial chills part, but I don't know what else to put. Yeah, these chopsticks are not working because they are two different lengths. There we go. So if y'all have any suggestions, drop them low. But I will still be doing ASMR and mukbangs, you guys. I think these are chicken flavor. But I'll figure it out, because definitely working on consistency for sure. But I definitely need to fix the name. Ooh, excuse me, you guys. Ooh. But y'all, can we take a moment to speak on Bow Wow? A quick moment. So, if you haven't heard, Bow Wow was performing. Now, I don't know who is allowing him to perform, but he performed Like You, a song with him and his ex, Sierra. And this cat decided to say in the middle of the song that he had Sierra first, like really trying to pull a Ray J, like. And for me, I feel like that's pathetic, because for one, you had a nervous breakdown on growing up in hip hop, you and your ex-girlfriend or whatever the hell she was were fighting in an elevator. Like, he is the epitome of irrelevant. You're performing at a nightclub a song that you wrote 10 years ago. Talking about a person you ain't been with in 10 years. Like, you ain't even came up with no hot music. You ain't been popping since you did that damn movie where he was adopted by Morris Chestnut. Like, I don't understand. Even on Love and Hip Hop, like, he made it his thing to talk about his extras. And I'm like, sir, you have a whole daughter and you doing this. Like, he just so whack. He whack. I think these noodles are called English noodles, maybe. Excuse me. Excuse me. And David, I believe that's who did it. David, I saw your request for a burping mukbang, or sorry, a burping ASMR video. I am going to make it happen. Y'all, this is hot. And leave it up to me to put some extra spice in there. Excuse me. Y'all gonna love them. These cucumbers are so good. Yeah, see, I can't pick this up because it's too, they not long, the same length. You guys, I cannot wait to eat kimchi. Like, I've never had it before, so I'm interested to see what it's gonna taste like. And I'm sorry if it's a little messy. All of it fell off. Ooh, this trifling. Excuse me. As y'all can see, I was hungry today. It's a burp coming. Okay, I guess that's it. Y'all, I'm really full. Woo, my mouth hot. Excuse me. Whew. Yeah, I can't eat no more, y'all. It's probably like 2 more bites. Excuse me. All of this is hot. It's hot. So, you guys, my mouth is burning. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestions for what I should name the channel, let me know. If you have any videos that you would like to see, leave them below as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Once again, my name is CC Celestial Chills, and until next time.